So it doesn't matter what credit score you have. I always tell people try to pre-qualify for any credit card, especially if you want to do like a balance transfer, if you even want to get a new credit card, because it can be different things on your credit reports that can stop you from getting a credit card, even if you have a very high credit score. I see people that's an authorized user on a credit card and it shot their credit scores up to the 700s, but they can't do anything. But I always tell people go to my website, Rickita.com or allthingsrickita.com, and check out my list of balance transfer credit cards there. I believe it's like over 10 credit cards that you guys can check out. Now, since you guys are actually watching a full video, you guys can actually see those credit cards. So this is my website, allthingsrickita.com. So a few of those credit cards that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry is Capital One, Navy Federal, Discover, Credit One Bank, Wayfair, FNBO, NASA, um, the Walgreens. You have Chase and Citibank. They can do a balance transfer, but it's going to be a hard inquiry. We also have Bank of America, US Bank, Wells Fargo, and American Express that you guys can check out. So these are the ones I tell people to get if you're looking to do a balance transfer. But my All Things Rickita website, you can see that there's other things on here like bankruptcy friendly accounts. If you guys had bankruptcy before, buy now, pay later, utilization credit cards. If you guys have very high utilization, you want to get these credit cards to help balance out your utilization, then these are the credit cards you would check out. But go to my website, All Things Rickita, and then you'll see all of these credit